Sanibona bafethu. Are these players really leaving i-Orlando Pirates? Yabo, labadlali labo 4 ngabe bayishiya ngempela i-Orlando Pirates. Okunda bayithethwa Ndlondlo, bese kuba uBandile Shandu, base kuba uRasebosha noThuso Mlileki. Siyabazi bonke labadlali laba. 2 of these players ade baqala ukuyidlalela i-Orlando Pirates, sebena experience yokudlalela i-team enkulu. Yabo, sebeyazi ukuthi represent kanjani i-beach, sebewine indondo eziningi for i-Orlando Pirates since bafika. Yabo, okundaba thethwa Ndlondlo benoBandile Shandu. But the other 2 players okuThuso Mlileki benoRasebosha basathanda kufika ku-Orlando Pirates. Bafike nje kule season le sathanda kuqala. Yabo, uRasebosha samlanda le ku-SuperSport as a free agent. Yaphela i-contract yakhe ku-SuperSport wajoyina i-Orlando Pirates, i-team enkulu. Kanti lo mfana lo uThuso Mlileki, I think i-team ayidlalela i-Orbit College or Orbit FC yayidlala le ku-Motsepe Foundation. Umfana samlanda. So right now currently kuneyindaba ezicirculate kuthiwa ngenzeka i-Orlando Pirates ilone uThuso Mlileki. Ngenzi i-Orlando Pirates imloni uThuso Mlileki. Yabo, angazi uzizwa kanjani ngalezo indaba lezo. Ungangitshela ama-comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe kuVane Sports. But uThuso Mlileki umdlali osathanda kufika le. Ubedlala le ku-Motsepe Foundation. Yabo, I feel like for me, I think it's a good thing yenze Orlando Pirates because I don't think uzoyithola game time that much Orlando Pirates. Yabo, I don't think game time into azoyithola soon. But ukumlona ayodlalela amanye ama-team la kwi-Betway Premiership. Into le ezomenza umfana athi ukuthola experience okudlala kwi-league enkulu. Yabo, currently kwi-Africa. Yabo, phela i-PSL bafethu i-league enkulu. Betway Premiership is one of the best leagues in Africa. If you saw uFaldo Davids izinto azenzayo lapha eTanzania neSimba SC, uyawina impela but wahluleke ukuyenza le nto la eSouth Africa. Uma ubheka lo mfana lo owayecoach eRaja Casablanca, uJoseph Zimbabwe, owayecoach i-Orlando Pirates, owina indodo lapha ngeRaja Casablanca. Ukutshela ukuthi kahle kahle ayikho lula le league lesi kuyona. Yabo, so into engikhuluma ngayo la uthi uThuso Mlileki i-experience azoyithola kwalamanye ama-team le. Into engikhuluma ngayo la uThuso Mlileki, I feel like uThuso Mlileki mase simloni mhlawumbe kuChipa noma amaZulu noma nje some other teams la ku-Betway Premiership, leyo nto izomenza umfana ayithole game time. Yabo, izomenza ayithole game time and leyo nto ingangijabulisa kakhulu. Yabo, so another player ingenzeka alone lo mfana lo uRasebosha. Ngizokuthi uRasebosha uzolonywa i-Orlando Pirates. uRasebosha sathanda kufika bafethu. Usathanda kufika uRasebosha and umdlali okwazi ngempela ukudlala. Yabo, umdlali okwazi ngempela ukudlala, sambone edlala lapha kwi-MTN final wangena ngosikhathi kulimala uMbatha. Yabo, ujwayele ukwenza ama-appearances. Yabo, ujwayele ukwenza ngempela ama-appearances. Wadlala last game I think ngosikhathi sidlala neStade Abidjan ucoach introduce. Yabo, so umdlali ngempela lo wathola ama-appearances. Yabo, ize ngekho maningi but uyawathola ama-appearances. I don't remember seeing him start, but yena wathola ngempela ama-appearances. Oh yeah, was-start against the team le Magisi ngosikhathi sidlala i-calling knockout, was-start uRasebosha. Yeah, I remember. But ke ngizokuthiwa yena uzolonwa ngike ngazi ukuthi uzolonwa kuyiphi team. Yabo, because sathanda kufika ku-Orlando Pirates. I don't know about this news ukuthi ngabe le indaba ezimnandi noma angazi bittersweet ke le ndaba zikaRasebosha, but ke singiyisazi. Yabo, ungangitshela ama-comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ukuthi kulonywe uRasebosha because esiswini kahle kahle esiswini siyaleka ngempela. Yabo, but ukumlona mhlambe singa-introduce uGoodman Musele because uGoodman Musele naye umdlali vele esasimlonile kuChipa United last season. Yabo, sambuyisa. Yabo, nje ukhona right now uGoodman Musele and uya recover because wabuye kwi-injury. Yabo, uya recover impela and ubuyile mfethu umfana. Another player engizwe kuthiwa ngenzeka ayishiye Orlando Pirates uNdlondlo. Indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo has been one of the best players be-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, adafika wafika ngeyikhathi zoJoseph Zimbabwe. Yabo, umdlali wesetshenziswa kakhulu. But ngizwe kuthiwa yena ngenzeka ahambe ku-Orlando Pirates. Yabo, I know mhlambe ungabe ifenye umdlali. I know ama-team amaningi kunama-fans, yabo, athanda abadlali within the team. So indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo i-bittersweet. Many people like indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo but i-team ibonayo ukuthi akayiniki lutho because since kwafika uJose Rivero ayikho into umfana lo uNdlondlo ayinikeze Orlando Pirates. I think igame yashifta i-mindset ka-coach ukuthi angamfaki that much indaba ithethwa Ndlondlo. I feel like ile game le versus i-Kaizer Chiefs sidlala idabi. Uma ukhumbula leli goal la kuRomart, if you remember that goal, if you remember igole la kuRomart and ukhumbula kahle ukuthi yini into eyadala ukuthi lo goal lize likoro, you'll think about le ndaba le kalo mfana lo ndaba ithethwa Ndlondlo because ibhola lathathwa kuyena. Umpontshane wayengekho epalini, lathathwa ibhola lakhahlelwa. Yabo, lazilangena lapha. I think iyona into yashintsha ucoach, mindset yakhe, no man, this player akasinike isiluso lapha center yabo. So indaba bayithatha ndlondlo ngizokuthi uzoshiya kweLorlando Pirates. And another player okuBandile Shandu, I know abantu abaningi bayamthanda uBandile Shandu bafethu. Bandile Shandu has been with the Orlando Pirates for the longest times yabo, for the longest times, and usesizile bafethu swini indondo, usesizile impela. I think wayekhona kule game le iNedbank Cup dlana esikhukhuna yabo. I think wayekhona kuleyo game and wadlala kahle kuleyo game leyo. Umdlali bafethu ngizokuthiwa uzohamba but on a loan, and i-contract yakhe kuthiwe ngenzeka iphele soon. So i-contract yakhe nje ubizophela soon. uBandile Shandu uzoshiya iOrlando Pirates ahambe on a loan yabo. So ngeke ngazi ngayi, but I feel like lento le ngiyayi-understand impela, because umfana ubehlushwa ama-injury kakhulu, akaze ayithola i-game time this season because ulimele yabo. I don't think ngempela ukumgcina kweOrlando Pirates kuzoyenza impela isense, because right now iOrlando Pirates kunomdlali emlindele yabo, nomdlali emlindele udlalela iPoloni City. I think ngiyamazi nonke uMatuluti yabo. So ukugcina lo mfana lo uShandu kweOrlando Pirates, I don't think it makes sense yabo. So ngizwe indaba kuthiwa ngenzeka simhambise on a loan, ngizwe indaba kuthiwa ngenzeka simhambise on a loan, but ungangitshela wena kuma comments ukuthi ngabe kumele simhambise lo mfana lo uShandu, simhambise noma agcinwe yini kweOrlando Pirates, because I feel like it's a good thing ukuthi ahambe ufana athola i-game time somewhere else, maybe leyo team ayidlalelayo igcine simthatha on a permanent deal, because I don't think Orlando Pirates usazoyithola i-game time. I don't think futhi usazophinda buyela, because lento leyo kunesana ne-injury, samkhokhela lo mdlali akadlali yabo. So uShandu ngempela ngenzeka ishiya Orlando Pirates, but wena ungangitshela ama comments ngabe labadlali kumele yini sibadedele, should we release these players or not yabo. Ungangitshela ama comments lapho bafethu, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uVane Sports lo singiyatholakala nala ka YouTube yabo. Ngiyabonga bafethu for i-support yenu.